Hello, Bladers. When you're in the market for a car, one of the most important questions to ask your sales consultant is if the car you are eyeing on is fuel efficient. After all, you shelled out such huge money on the car already, you'd want to save on as much cost as you can, right? Here, we list down these subcompact cars that have great performance but won't give your wallet a hard time on fuel maintenance. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. Here are the most fuel-efficient hatchbacks you can get today. The Toyota Wigo. Toyota is already known for low maintenance costs. But what's even greater is that it's super fuel efficient. In fact, it runs at just 22 km per liter of gasoline. The Hyundai Eon. This Korean entry for subcompact cars can score a fuel efficiency of 26 km per liter. The Honda Brio packs a punch, and I love that carnival yellow color. It's efficient at 24 km per liter. The Kia Picanto. Though it's small, it is probably one of the most fuel-efficient cars out there. In fact, it runs at a whopping 26 km per liter, the same as its Korean counterpart. The Suzuki Celerio, another popular subcompact car, with a CVT transmission, can score 24 km per liter of fuel. The Mitsubishi Mirage scores a modest 21 km per liter of fuel. This sexy hatch boasts CVT transmission too. Do you agree with our list of subcompacts? Or did we miss some of your preferred ones? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center, it's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe and one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.